विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। MES महाविद्यालयाच्या माजी विद्यार्थ्यांनी तशेंच शिक्षकांनी एकठांय येवन एकमेकांच्या संपर्कांत उरपा खातीर MES Allumini संघटना स्थापीत केल्या। कामा निमतान जरी कितले पयस उरले तरी डिजिटली एकमेकांक बरोबर संपर्कांत उरपाक ही संघटना स्थापीत केल्या। आरडीएक्सको खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
This association has become a legal entity. We are getting very good response. In fact, everywhere in Vasco or rather Marumgaon Taluka, every third person is a ex-MES student, and so therefore there is no difficulty in getting members. We are also getting good participant, good support from the college, and we are therefore conducting a lot of activities in our college for the students and also for the ex-students. We are also planning to have a lot of other activities for ex-students. Maybe a get-together of all the alumni association. There are various ex-students placed at different places all over the globe, and we are trying to reach out to each and every ex-student of this MES college. See, it is our duty now as ex-student give something back to the college. So that belongingness, that love for the college brings us back to this college. And therefore I appeal to all the ex-students to participate, to come back to the college, and let us try and give back something back to the college, because what we are today is all because of this college. This college has given us a lot of things, and we are all stalwarts, we are all doing very well in our respective fields. So it is also our duty and responsibility to come back to college and give something to the college back, to the new students, give some good experiences to the new students who are coming out from the college. Give them our experiences, make them comfortable, give them the idea of the world, give them the idea of our respective fields, and give back something back to the college, so that we are regarded as the responsible citizens of this college and the students of this college.
Our Alumni Association is playing a very significant role in the development of our college. They are conducting several activities in association with various departments. Now our Alumni Association is a registered association, and they have created several channels to communicate with the past students. Like they have created their own WhatsApp group. They have also the email groups through which they communicate with the past students, and this is helping to mobilize more and more